Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So today we're going to be making quick and healthy vegan parmesan. So let's begin. So for this vegan parmesan recipe, you're only gonna need 5 ingredients, right? So simple, and also a food processor. Or you could also do it in coffee grinder or spice grinder perhaps as well if you don't have a food processor. So we're gonna start with our nuts. So here I've got cashew nuts. You could also use blanched almond nuts. If you're allergic to nuts, however, I would suggest using sunflower seeds for this as well. You can either use raw sunflower seeds or you could also use roasted sunflower seeds. I prefer roasted sunflower seeds taste, but obviously go with what you like if you're allergic to nuts. So 1 cup of nuts, either cashews, almonds, or possibly sunflower seeds. I add it to the food processor. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast here to give that kind of the cheesy flavor. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. So I've got some Himalayan salt or sea salt, any salt would work. So about half a teaspoon here. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of my favorite ingredient, onion powder. So I add it in all savory things. So 1 teaspoon of onion powder and half a teaspoon of garlic powder as well. So add half a teaspoon. And that is it, as simple as that. All ingredients are in. I'm using a Sage food processor. If you're wondering what I'm using, it's quite a sturdy, robust food processor. I'll link down below where you can get yours if you're interested. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn my food processor on, probably literally for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just to grind up the nuts and everything mixed together into fine powder. So it's been about 30 seconds and I can still see bits of nut, so I'm gonna blend it processor for another probably 20 to 25 seconds. So it's been 1.5 minutes. I processed this and it's looking pretty uniform now. So I'm gonna just do a little taste test here for you. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious on, wherever you like parmesan, on pasta, even on salad. Oh my goodness, it's got such a delicious taste. And literally what I do then is I just put it in a jar and keep it in the fridge, and that could keep in the fridge for probably about 3 to 4 weeks, up to a month I would say, but it just goes quicker than that. So look at this, that made even more than one 335 ml jar, I think. So if you had like half a litre jar, that would fit it in perfect. I want to make pasta just so that I could have some parmesan on it now. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know when you try it. Tell me if it isn't the best parmesan you've tried ever, right? If you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more videos just like this, as well as weight loss tips on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And as always, remember guys, food is fuel. So be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.